This model kit review is of the Apollo 11, the Saturn V rocket, and it's in commemoration of the 50th anniversary of the moon landing, which was in 1969. This is a model by Revell. It's a 1/44 scale model, and it stands 77 centimeters tall. Let's see if there's any other details here on the box. Nothing over there. Let's have a look at the back here. So here's some details about the moon rocket here, and some pictures, and let's have a look inside. This is a fairly large model, it looks like. Let's have a look at our parts here. So this first sprue here, it's actually fairly nicely made, fair amount of detail, and it's very well molded. Here's the base. We do have some mold lines and some flashing, so a little disappointing there. Here's some of our fins, and this must be part of our lander, and then the lunar orbital vehicle. Here are our two people, actually three people. There's another one. And then this is the top of the rocket, some of the legs of the moon lander. Some more parts of the rocket. This is a very tall rocket, it's at 77 centimeters, but fairly well molded. And some other parts of the rockets. Looks like we have a base to stand on. What's over here? Looks like some clips to hold it in place, prevent it from toppling over. I imagine that's for our the name plates. And let's have a look at this last sprue here. We've got our rocket engines, and looks like 5 of those. And lots of little extra little details here, little parts to add. So let's have a look. Here are our decals. These are very nicely printed, pretty good quality. And here's the title, the nameplate, that will go right there. And let's have a look at the instructions. So there's some details there about the rockets. And here are the colors needed. That's quite a few colors, more than I was expecting. Here is the parts listing. And here in the instructions, you build the base first with all the rocket engines. We start to assemble the rockets. We've got our base with our 3 people. And then the rocket is not glued in place, but snaps into place, so it's held there. And we slowly start to build the rocket up with the stage 1 launch. And then our stage 2 rocket there, that's the separator. And you can see the additional engines there, stage 2. And then you can have this open so that you don't glue it. You can find the moon lander in there. And then there's the re-entry vehicle along with the top of the rockets. All those parts are then assembled and placed on the rocket. Here's the painting and decal guide. And a painting and decal guide for the re-entry vehicle, as well as the orbiter and moon lander. So all in all, should be a fun model to build.